Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. So this is my new Porter Cable 20 volt max lithium impact wrench. It's rated for 340 foot-pounds and it's a 1/2 inch drive. Purchased this off Amazon for $154.99 plus tax. And these are my Powerextra 6 amp batteries that I purchased off Amazon. They're $85 plus tax. And this requires at least 4 amp. They say if you're using a 1.5 amp battery, you're just not getting the proper torque out of it. So let's get all this unboxed. All right, so taking a look at the batteries. Again, these are rated at 6 amp. I've heard people say they've taken them apart and they're actually only two 2500 amp hour batteries inside. So we'll take a look at that down the road. Again, they have nice weight to them, so hopefully they hold up. And here's the impact wrench. It's nice and heavy. This is all metal here. This is your forward and reverse here. And it's nice because it does have a little light right there. So let's hook up a battery to it and try it out. Just want to mention I charge these on my charger that came with my kit that I had purchased earlier. And they took about an hour and a half to fully charge. So let's actually go outside and try this on some lug nuts on our boat trailer. I just want to quickly mention too that this did not come with any batteries or chargers, so you have to get those separately. There we go. That was the first try of my Porter Cable impact wrench. Works great. I don't know the last time that these lug nuts have been off on this boat trailer, but they came off pretty well. So what I'm going to do is I'll do an updated video on this probably in a few months after I put this to some good hard use. So we're actually going to check the reliability of the impact wrench as well as these generic 6 amp lithium batteries. So make sure you stay tuned. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you post them below. If not, thanks for watching. Take care.